as well?
I'm waiting for this guy to really take off. His defense has been superb as of late, but I'm waiting for that bat to take off. I know he's got it in him, and I like this young prospect.
Oh, yeah. First pitch to him is going to be a strike, as Solomon. True. And the 0-1, Lee pops one in the air.
In my life.
And the pitch is going to be low and outside. Good block diving out. And the 1-2. And that's going to be slapped foul back to Franklin is in center and Alcantara is in left. That is right. Crown ball hit over to short. Grabbing that is Cowles. His throw across is in time. 6-3. Enough. And a bouncer hit to short. This could be two. Underhand flip to second. Relay in time. Navigado to lead. Well, as runner goes. Throw down. They got him. Oh, what a throw by Esteros from behind the plate. Caught stealing 2-6. 2-strike pitch to him. Hernandez delivers. Slow roller hit over to second base. Unruh started over, then he recovers to get back to the bag. Luckily for him, Ballesteros doesn't run as fast as a lot of the other Iowa Cubs. 4-3 on the ground out.
Matt, they always say pitching's the quickest way to get to the major leagues. I might dispute that a little bit. A good hit.
That you'd take a series from this group. But kind of a soft floater out to right field. It's going to get down before Hao-Yu Lee could get to it, or the right fielder Matt Vierling coming in. It'll be a soft base hit for Jonathan Long. Probably could have caught that with have the lead. Hao-Yu Lee will come to the plate. Lee 0 for 1 with a ground out, his first time up. And he take ball one. Fastball there from Solomon. Misses outside. 1 run on 2 hits for the Hens. Already 4 hits for the Cubs, but they've got nothing on the board as Lee drives one high in the air towards right center. That is in the air for a running grab by Franklin, the center fielder. Hao-Yu Lee flies out to start the bottom of the 4th.
Rush right now to get him back. They'd rather get him back and be 100% healthy.
Yeah, matter of fact, Vierling had 3 appearances at the plate in the spring. He appeared in 1 game before he got hurt. So he's got a long way to go to be ready to go. First pitch swinging, Hao-Yu Lee shoots one in the air, foul.
Down here, but there's still a little unknown about when he'll be ready to come back to play.
Yep. And the pitch swung on and missed. Fastball there at 93. Lee goes down. And 1-2-3 inning turned in for Keegan Thompson. We'll move on to the 7th here in downtown Toledo. Still 1-0 in favor of Toledo. This is Toledo Mud Hens baseball. And downtown Toledo, we're going to head to the bottom of the 9th inning. The Mud Hens, last chance.
Yep, this is it. Hao-Yu Lee has the opportunity to get us going here in the bottom.
As the lefty stays out. And that Mud Hens bullpen, just in case they're able to get this game tied. Drive by Lee to right field. And it's Casey, the right fielder, who's going to make the grab. Manny Margot to come to the plate. Now we're here in the bottom of the 9th inning.